Welcome to the unboxing of your product. Your box contains one product, one mounting base, one adhesive fastener, two screws and plugs, one SD card and two batteries. On the front of the product, you have access to all the user interfaces, such as the main LED, the main button, the location of the NFC antenna and the presence detector. On the rear of the product, you'll find user interfaces related to installation and maintenance, secondary LED, secondary button, USB-C connector, battery compartment, and SD card slot. The product can be used freestanding or wall-mounted. You can install it with screws and plugs, with an adhesive fastener or with a flush-mounted box. To install with screws and plugs, drill your wall and insert the two plugs. Position the mounting base and screw it into the wall using the screws. After inserting the batteries, attach the product to the base. Screw in the anti-theft screw. For installation with adhesive mounting, peel the gray film from the adhesive, then press it onto the base for 10 seconds. Peel the second film from the adhesive and stick it to the wall. Attach the product to the base after powering it up. Screw in the anti-theft screw. For installation with the flush mounting box, place the flush mounting box in the wall and connect the two cables to the transformer. Break off the plug from the mounting base and connect the USB-C cable to the product, passing it through the opening left by the plug. Connect the cable to the transformer and screw the mounting base to the back box. Plug the product into the base after powering it up. Screw in the anti-theft screw. Once powered, the product initializes for about 1 minute, and after 5 seconds a green LED appears. The product then automatically attempts to connect to the low RORAN network. During the connection phase, the orange LED flashes for 25 seconds. After this time, they turn green if the connection is successful, and red if it fails. In this case, the product tries again to connect to the network. If the connection fails, you can still use the product. The product attempts to reconnect every 20 minutes until it succeeds, without disrupting use. Your product is now ready to use.